Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine. In the previous class, we have learned that land is one among the most important natural resources, and land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and setting up of industries. Today, we will discuss about the topic land degradation. Let's discuss. First, about the classification of lands. Land can be classified on the basis of ownership as private land and community land. Private lands owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for common use like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs. These community lands are also called common property resources. We know the fact that population is increasing day by day. So the demand for the land also is increasing. But the fundamental point is that the availability of land is limited. As the population is increasing, the private people are now started to occupy common lands to build up commercial areas, housing complexes in the urban areas, and to expand the agricultural land in the rural areas. As a result of this expansion of agriculture and construction activities, nowadays we are facing a lot of problems like land degradation, landslides, soil erosion, desertification, etc. There is land degradation. Because of the overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the fertility of the soil is coming down day by day. This is completely degrading the land's fertility. So, we have to reduce the use of this chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Next, about landslides. Landslides are happening when heavy rain occurs for many days and soil gets loosened up. As a result of this, the outer part of the soil starts to fall down. This falling down of the land is called landslides. We also have desertification. Once the soil gets eroded and the soil lost its fertility and that land cannot be used for cultivation, this uncultivatable land becomes a desert. This leads to desertification of the place. What are the alternatives that we can use to save land? First, we have to stop deforestation and start afforestation. Stop cutting down the forest and start to grow the forest. Next method is land reclamation. Land reclamation is the process of improving lands to make them suitable for more intensive use. Among the various land reclamation forms, irrigation and drainage are the most common. Next one is to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. We need to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Otherwise, it will adversely affect the fertility of the soil. Another one is checks on overgrazing. What is overgrazing? Overgrazing is the excessive consumption of vegetation by livestock. Then how does it affect the quality of the land? Overgrazing causes the natural vegetation like grass to be depleted, and it causes the topsoil to be washed away by water or wind. This is a major cause of soil erosion, which can eventually cause the desertification of the land. So, to conserve land resources, there should be checks on overgrazing. Let me conclude today's session. I hope all of you have understood the content clearly. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. Take it down. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.